Available to architect and designer users, Space Tool is used to identify a particular room or area within your document. The space object contains a wealth of information about the area it covers, including space name and number, occupancy, finishing information, as well as all of the room's spatial parameters, such as square footage and volume. Spaces can be drawn in a number of ways. Each of these ways is best used in certain situations. The default mode of the tool, Polyline Mode, allows you to draw out a space in the same manner you would draw a simple 2D polygon. The Vertex Modes let you control each curve and corner as in many other tools, but we won't be covering them in this video. The details of these modes can be found in another video entitled Vertex Modes. This is the most simple and direct way of creating a space, but more often than not, its other modes are superior. The Space Tool's alternate drawing modes are designed to take advantage of existing geometry to save you having to manually retrace an area you've already drawn with the Wall tool, for instance. The first of these modes is Picked Walls mode. This mode allows you to select a number of walls, one after another. The order is not important. Once the walls you've selected enclose the desired area, clicking the green check in the top left of the screen after selection will create spaces that fill those areas edged by the selected walls. The main benefit to this mode, however, is that if you move or reshape the walls later, the space objects will update to accommodate that change. If you have a large number of rooms to create spaces for, however, the next mode, Inner Boundary, works as a sort of paint bucket tool from image editing software. With this mode active, you can click inside an area enclosed by walls and a space will be generated automatically. When using this mode, there's an option for automatic or manual. If you leave it at automatic, reshaping this room later will adjust this space object as well. Manual will not. Rectangle mode is simply a modified version of the polygon mode. It allows you to draw out rectangular or square areas if you're holding down Shift to create a space manually. If all of your rooms are four-sided and simple, this may work fine. If not, keep the other drawing modes in mind to save yourself time. If you know the exact dimensions of the space you're attempting to draw out, you can simply press the Tab key and enter those values manually, then click or press Enter to create the space. The next two modes are uncommon in most tools: Pickup Attributes and Apply Attributes. They make up a modified version of the eyedropper tool. What these modes do is pick up the characteristics specific to a space object from space objects to apply to another space object. So, if you already have a space configured with your desired label and attributes, you can easily take those traits from that space and apply them to all the other spaces you want to share those attributes. The Space Tool not only makes it easier to label rooms individually and have that labeling update as changes to the drawing are made, but it also allows you to extract the needed data from every part of your model later on.